In the heart of the Khmer Empire, a monumental masterpiece rose from the earth, its spires piercing the heavens. This was Angkor Wat, a testament to the grandeur and ingenuity of the ancient civilization that once thrived in the region. The year was 1150 AD, and King Suryavarman II, a powerful and visionary ruler, embarked on a mission to create a temple that would surpass all others in splendor and size. The king, a devout Hindu, sought to build a temple dedicated to the god Vishnu, a symbol of his devotion and his empire's might. The construction of Angkor Wat was a mammoth undertaking, requiring the labor of an estimated 300,000 workers. Over a period of 37 years, they carved intricate bas-reliefs, erected towering stone walls, and constructed a moat that encircled the temple complex. The result was a structure so awe-inspiring, it left visitors speechless. Yet, the temple was more than just a monument to a king and his god. It was a reflection of the Khmer civilization's artistic and architectural prowess. The bas-reliefs depicted scenes from Hindu epics, showcasing the civilization's deep understanding of the stories and the gods they worshipped. The temple's design, a fusion of religious symbolism and architectural innovation, stood as a beacon of the Khmer Empire's cultural and spiritual identity. However, the glory of Angkor Wat was not eternal. By the 15th century, the Khmer Empire had fallen, and the temple was abandoned. It was rediscovered by European explorers in the 19th century, who marveled at its grandeur and the secrets it held. Today, Angkor Wat stands as a symbol of the Khmer civilization's past glory and a testament to the ingenuity of its builders. Angkor Wat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, continues to attract millions of visitors each year. Its spires, still piercing the heavens, remind us of a civilization that once flourished, a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and ambition.